Today was a classic severe weather setup for any time of year, especially for the winter when we don't need as much energy for storms. We had all of the necessary ingredients for severe storms, which are sometimes known as the SLIM ingredients. Shear, lift, instability, and moisture are all key pieces of a severe weather forecast and sometimes go hand in hand. Shear is winds that change direction and speed with height, which can cause storms to rotate when enough shear is present. Winds at the ground were out of the southwest today, while several thousand feet up, winds were more westerly, and that difference causes winds to turn. Lift is also needed to bring moist air from the ground up into the air where it can fuel storms. Lift today was provided by an approaching cold front and a trough of low pressure ahead of it. Instability was more of a toss-up in the forecast, but it doesn't take much in the wintertime, and temperatures were over 20 degrees above average across the area, lending to a sufficient amount of energy for storms. Moisture is also heavily tied to instability and temperatures. Warmer air will typically hold more moisture and will also usually be more energetic. There was much heavier moisture and higher instability south of the area today, where damaging winds, large hail, and possible tornadoes were reported in Oklahoma and Kansas. Low-level winds brought some of that moisture and energy into our area, but only enough to produce heavy rain and some loud thunder early in the day. A brief tornado warning was issued in St. Clair County just southwest of the Lake of the Ozarks based on radar-indicated rotation, but there are no official reports of a tornado.